Thank you so much for clicking the thumbnail of this video. Friends, I prepared the video for you. So, you have to watch this video. I will use both Hindi plus English language so that you will understand properly. In this video, we are going to understand the definition of antiseptics and disinfectants, its classification, and the uses of antiseptics and disinfectants. So, what is antiseptics and disinfectants? We will see the definition of antiseptics and disinfectants. Antiseptics are the agents that destroy or prevent the growth of microorganisms when applied to the living tissues. Thus, they prevent sepsis. The agent which prevents sepsis is called as antiseptics. Simple definition. Okay? चलो डेफिनेशन का मीनिंग जानते हैं। एंटीसेप्टिक से एजेंट है जो लिविंग टिश्यूज़ पर अप्लाई करने से माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज़म्स की ग्रोथ को प्रिवेंट करते हैं या माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज़म्स को किल कर देते हैं। ठीक है। डिसइंफेक्टेंट्स आर द एजेंट्स दैट किल वेजिटेटिव बैक्टीरिया बट नॉट नेसेसरीली स्पोर्स व्हेन यूज्ड ऑन एन इनएनिमेट ऑब्जेक्ट्स और नॉन लिविंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स। डिसइंफेक्टेंट्स आर द एजेंट्स, ये एजेंट्स है। और अगर हम डिसइंफेक्टेंट्स इनएनिमेट ऑब्जेक्ट्स पर अप्लाइड करते हैं, इनएनिमेट ऑब्जेक्ट्स मतलब नॉन लिविंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स, इस पर यूज़ करने से ये एजेंट्स वेजिटेटिव बैक्टीरिया किल करते हैं बट स्पोर्स को किल नहीं कर सकते। नाउ केमिकल क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एंटीसेप्टिक्स एंड डिसइंफेक्टेंट्स। एंटीसेप्टिक्स एंड डिसइंफेक्टेंट का क्लासिफिकेशन 8 से 9 कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड किया गया है। फर्स्ट कैटेगरी है फेनॉल्स एंड रिलेटेड कंपाउंड्स। उसके एग्जांपल्स है फेनॉल, क्लोरोक्रेसॉल, क्लोरोक्सिलेनॉल एंड हेक्साक्लोरोफेन। सेकंड वन इज अल्कोहल्स एंड रिलेटेड कंपाउंड्स। एग्जांपल इथेनॉल, आइसोप्रोपिल अल्कोहल। थर्ड वन अल्डिहाइड, एग्जांपल फॉर्माल्डिहाइड। फोर्थ कैटेगरी है कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, एग्जाम्पल बेंजोइक एसिड, मिथाइल पैराहाइड्रोक्सी बेंजोएट। फिफ्थ कैटेगरी है हेलोफोर्स की, मीन्स हेलोजन कंटेनिंग कंपाउंड्स। इट डिवाइड इनटू 2 पार्ट्स, क्लोरोफोर, एग्जाम्पल क्लोरामाइन टी, आयोडोफोर्स, एग्जाम्पल पोविडॉन आयोडीन एंड आयोडोफॉर्म। हेवी मेटल कंपाउंड्स आर डिवाइड इनटू 2 पार्ट्स, ऑर्गेनिक मर्क्यूरियल्स, एग्जाम्पल थायोमर्सल। Silver compounds, example silver sulfadizine, silver protein. And seventh category is quaternary ammonium compounds. It is cationic surfactants, example है benzalkonium chloride and cetrimide. Then dyes, example proflavin and brilliant green. Last one is miscellaneous antiseptic and disinfectant, in which topical antiseptics, example nitrofurazone, istamol, urinary antiseptics, example nitrofurantoin. Let's see the uses of some important antiseptics and disinfectants. Uses of proflavin. Proflavin is used in the treatment of infected wounds. It is used in local infections of external ear, mouth, throat and skin. It is effective against many gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Proflavin is used for dressing of wounds and burns. Uses of chlorocresol. It is powerful bactericide and fungicide. Side matlab to kill. Okay. Second, it is also used as a preservative. Chlorocresol is a potent disinfectant with low toxicity. Chloroxylenol. Uses of chloroxylenol. It is non-irritant antiseptic for cuts, wounds and abrasions. Abrasions मतलब खरोच. It is also used as a disinfectant. ठीक है. Uses of formaldehyde solution. It is a powerful antibacterial agent. It is used in the treatment of chronic skin diseases It is used as an antiseptic in the form of mouthwashes and gargles. Mouthwash और gargles में as antiseptic formaldehyde solution यूज़ किया जाता है. To disinfect rooms, instruments, clothing, hands or site of operation and the membrane used for renal dialysis. Also as a preservative for pathological specimens. Hexamine, that is a combination of formaldehyde plus ammonia, is used as a urinary antiseptic in combination with acidifying agents. Next one, uses of hexachlorophene or hexachlorophane. It has antibacterial property, hence it is used in the form of soap to reduce bacterial flora on the skin. ठीक है. And in the form of dusting powder, hexachlorophene is used to reduce bacterial infections on umbilical stump. नाभि के संबंधी है ये. And then to disinfect hands of surgeon, hexachlorophene is used. Uses of liquefied phenol. It is a bactericidal and germicidal agent. It is used for dressing of small wounds, to get relief from itching, as an analgesic in dentistry, as an analgesic and antiseptic in mouth ulcer and tonsillitis. It is used as also disinfectant. It is effective against gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Same use like proflavin. It is used in the treatment of boils in ears. Next drug is benzalkonium chloride. Uses as an antiseptic and detergent. It is it is used as a antiseptic and detergent. It is used as a preservative in eye drops. Its solution is used for irrigation or washout of bladder, urethra and vagina, for cleansing of intact skin. It is used to get relief from painful infections of mouth and the throat. Uses of cetrimide. It is used as antiseptic and detergent. It is used to disinfect utensils and vessels. As a preservative, cetrimide is used. As an emulsifying agent, gives O/W cream. It is used for cleansing of prosperative skin. It is used to treat burns and wounds. It is used to remove scab. Last drug है nitrofurantoin. It is a broad spectrum antibacterial agent. It is used in the treatment of urinary tract infections. Okay.